In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Amazon app. We will walk through this on a phone, and the steps are the same on Android and iPhone, so what you see on your screen should match closely as we go. Start by opening the Amazon Shopping app. Find the Amazon icon on your home screen or in your app list and tap it once. When the app opens, you should land on the main Amazon page with a search bar across the top and product suggestions or recent items below. If you do not see that home page, give the app a second to finish loading, since a slow connection can delay the content. Now, tap the menu icon. This looks like three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. You will usually find it near the bottom right or the top left of the screen depending on your app version. Once you tap it, a side menu or full screen menu opens, showing options like your orders, your account and lists, and various settings, so you know you are in the right place. From there, scroll down and tap Settings. The list in this menu can be long, so slowly swipe up until you see the word Settings near the bottom area. Beginners sometimes tap the account name instead, which only opens account details, not the sign out option, so look specifically for settings. When you tap it, you will move to a new screen where several account and app options are grouped together. Next up, tap Sign Out. Depending on your app version, it may simply say Sign Out, or you might see a line that says Not followed by your name, then Sign Out. Both options do the same thing. They start the logout process for the account currently signed in on this device. After tapping, the app may briefly dim or show a short loading indicator, letting you know it accepted the request. At this point, tap Sign Out again to confirm. Amazon asks for this second tap so you do not accidentally disconnect your account with a stray touch. On this confirmation prompt, make sure you tap the Sign Out button rather than cancel, or nothing will change. Right after you confirm, the app closes your active session on this phone. After that final confirmation, you will be returned to the Amazon sign-in screen, and your account is now fully signed out on this device. You should see fields for your email or phone number and password, along with a sign-in button, which confirms the logout worked. You have now successfully logged out of the Amazon Shopping app on your phone, keeping your account secure when you are not using it. If this helped you log out safely, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear app tutorials like this.